So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with. Here you can see computer specs on Windows 11. So first of all, press Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Now this will open Settings app on a Windows PC. Here on the left pane, click on System. Now here on the right side, scroll down. Now click on About. Now here, under Device Specifications, you will see Processor and Installed RAM. And here you will see Storage and Graphics Card. Here it says 1.13 TB storage and Graphics Card 2 GB. And it also says multiple GPUs installed. So to check all the GPUs, simply open Task Manager. For this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard. Now this will open Task Manager. Here on the left pane, click on Performance. And now here you will see your CPU. Under this, here it says Memory. And now here are two disks, Disk 0 and Disk 1. Now here Disk 0 is HDD and Disk 1 is SSD. Under this you will see Wi-Fi. If you click on it, then this will show the network adapter. And under Wi-Fi, there are two GPUs, GPU 0 and GPU 1. GPU 0 is NVIDIA GeForce MX150. And if you see its memory, its dedicated memory is 2 GB. And shared memory is 8 GB. So total memory 10 GB. And for GPU 1, it is Intel UHD Graphics 620. And its shared memory is 7.9 GB. So this I can see computer specs on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.